Okay, I apologize. The last video got cut off because of the 15-minute limit. I want to go through the last couple of examples, and then I need to explain odds because it is different than probability. So we should have been right here where we did spin a vowel. I did 50 times 2/5. I reduced the 50 and the 5 to 10 and 1. So it should be 20 out of 50 times you are going to spin a vowel. In the marble experiment, what is the probability you will not choose a red marble? So if I want to take those out of there, here's my total, and I see that there are 3 red marbles, then I know that it's 9 out of the 12 marbles are not red. I reduce that and I change it into a decimal just to show you how you have a 75% chance of not choosing a red. Pretty good odds. Or probability, I should say, because we're going to talk about odds next. Odds are different than probability. What odds compare are the ratio of favorable to unfavorable events. So in a coin flipped, rather than a half a chance, you have a 1-to-1. That's the favorable, is this one, and this is the unfavorable, which is tails. So you have a 1-to-1 odds. Okay, in the spinner above, the chance that you spin a vowel, the odds are 2 to, should be 2 to 3 because it's a 5 spinner. 2 to 3, not 2 to 4. I'm glad I caught that. So in the spinner above, the odds are very, very different. You have your favorable compared to your unfavorable. So here's your 2 favorable, there's your unfavorable. If you were a rolling dice, you have a 2 to 4 odds of spinning or of rolling a 1 or a 2. Because there are 2 favorable outcomes and 4 unfavorable outcomes. You can reduce that to 1 favorable outcome per 2 unfavorable outcomes. So notice in probability, you're comparing your favorables to the whole. In odds, you're comparing or having a ratio of favorable to unfavorable. They are a little bit different. These two tend to get kids confused. So if you need to listen to that again, remember what you are comparing. And I will write here just a little note to remember. It's unfavorable compared, favorable to unfavorable. Let me do that. I'm trying to go too fast. Favorable to unfavorable. Favorable to unfavorable, and those are odds. Isn't that odd? All right, so that is our lesson for today. I apologize that this one took a little bit longer. We are going to have a little bit of fun in this unit, so hold on to your hats. We'll start using the spinners and the dice and things like that, and I have a really fun day planned for us. Thanks, everyone.